In a world that often tells women who they should be, Verily Magazine is changing the narrative. Founded on the belief that every woman is inherently worthy, Verily empowers you to embrace your true self. With over a decade of empowering content, Verily returned to its roots as a print publication in 2022 and became a nonprofit dedicated to helping women. Verily stands tall as the first magazine to celebrate natural beauty, never altering images or objectifying women. Our mission is simple: to help you be who you truly are. Join us in changing women's media, and together we can change the world for the better.